Hughes Power System presents the world's first solid insulated high-voltage vacuum circuit breaker for 126 kV and 3150 ampere. This is a gas-free and a fully environmentally friendly product. It is built to remain in operation for more than 30 years without major maintenance due to the highest quality materials used in its construction. OVX 1100 key features and advantages. Voltage class 126 kV, 1-2-3 phase. Thick top metal connection terminal also functions as a heat sink for the vacuum interrupter bottle that is installed inside the top bushing. All connection terminals can be supplied with hole patterns in accordance with ANSI or IC standards. Top solid insulated bushing has upper connection terminal with low internal resistance. The product has extremely high mechanical endurance and outstanding electrical parameters with solid insulation and with high-performance vacuum interrupters. These high-current vacuum interrupters do not produce any harmful switching products and are easy to replace in comparison to gas-insulated interrupters. The vacuum interrupter has innovative design, allowing the unit to be modularized between 1, 2, 3 poles for different applications. Normally, 2 poles versions are used for railway electrification and 3 poles version is used for electrical transmission systems, including renewable energy sectors. The lower connection terminal joins upper and lower bushings. The lower bushing has the internal operating push-pull rod installed inside. The frame of the circuit breaker contains the mandatory rating plate with the electrical data in accordance with ANSI or IC standards. The circuit breaker is completely pre-wired, which makes it an easily remote-controlled solution. The electrical contact is the pre-wired SCADA interface that provides information about the switch position. It also connects the multiple cam switches and the heating element. 3150 ampere line current and 31.5 kA short circuit for 3 seconds. Superior 550 kV basic insulation level. 265 kV power frequency at 50 or 60 Hz over open contact. Stored energy mechanical operation mechanism. Solution for 1-2-3 phase systems. Anti-vandalism poles fitted with silicone polymeric insulators as standard. The cabinet contains the operation mechanism and the control electronics. The first panel with a yellow window is the mechanical spring charge indicator. It shows the status of the stored emergency mechanism. The second panel is the switch main mechanical position indicator. Red colors indicate that the switch is closed and green indicates that the switch is tripped. The push button in the right upper corner is the door open indicator to the SCADA system as well as the lamp on function. The third panel is the switch electrical operation and indicator panel. The first rotary switch down to the left is the remote off local switch. The upper left green push button indicator operates the switch to trip and indicates the switch position. The upper right red push button indicator operates the switch to close and indicates the switch position. The lower right blue indicator lamp indicates that the spring operating mechanism is fully charged and ready for a momentary trip-close trip operation. Inside the spring operation mechanism is the mechanical operation counter control electronics with its automatic fuses. The mechanical emergency operation lever is adjustable to a comfortable operational length. Please visit our website for more details. By designing and producing our own parts and components, we bring your individual ideas to life.